whatever trade I am taking or whatever area I am watching, I send those level uh, to a group. You know the group name, superhero group, right? I send it to
Yes,
the
yes,
I send it to the group, so that, let's say, like for example, like you join me, okay? You join me. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. So you join me, and let's say still it seems so complicated. You and still you are not good seeing any progress, okay, boss? So what I do nowadays, I send my level, my trading to the superhero, okay, so that you can watch it by yourself, okay, boss? And you can also have the chance to analyze it, okay?
okay, yes,
Like, let me give you example of it. Before the CPI, like I was, when you sent me a text, I said we are waiting for a CPI. So
yes,
I said this is the level that I was focusing on, like 49.8, right? 49.8. This is today, okay? This is today.
yes,
And if you mark the like 33.49.8, that's the level that we were focusing, isn't it, boss?
yes,
And now if you look at here, it's look like this, like, which is give us a kind of this thing. But if you see in the lower time frame, that's the entry. What happened when market come back to here? You understand?
yes, I do.
Okay,
Stop loss.
so that's the, no, it's not the stop loss. It's like 100 pips from the entry area, like 49.8.
Oh, okay,
Okay, so that's the negotiation that we have done. And this is the, okay, so also let me send you the this one. This is the new London session, okay? 57.7 area. So if you follow the same, like 33.57.7, that's the area. So what happened when the market comes? This is your trade area, isn't it, boss?
okay, yes,
So that's again like 80 pips. So why I'm sure this is just today only, okay? So
yes,
if you go to yesterday also, like this one, okay, not this one. Let me show you where is my level actually. So like I said this before, right? Like, just give me a minute when I said it. Like I said, we have. I already posted to the main group right here, right? Yesterday, on here, like we
okay,
have two level, 56 and 47. So what happened? 56 we had the stop loss, and 47 this is the area that give us TP, okay? So
yes,
one more thing you need to follow, which is if you have a fail, that means it's a setup that is, oh, yes, it gives you stop loss, and if the setup is very strong, we call it as a fail setup. That fail setup can give you the reverse trade. So what happen if you go to the chart, the area that we enter as a buy trade, that give us a stop loss. And if you
yes,
go to the yesterday market, somewhere here, just give me a minute, 57 somewhere here, okay? Okay, so we were waiting, where is yesterday? Somewhere this is 15, this is 14, right? This is 14. So if you check, somewhere 57 area, like the in trade we took, that hit our stop loss, it gave us the uh, sell again from that particular area. If you look at here, which is we called as a fail setup. So this is the 57.6 area, okay?
yes,
So why I'm saying it, like, let's say the group you have with for us in the superhero. So normally you do your own analysis, okay, boss? You do your own analysis. You also shared your analysis at the same time. Whatever trade I am looking for, I also post it on there.
okay,
That means if you do not, let's say, like, you are still struggling and you do not learn anything and you don't know anything yet, if you still follow me blindly, like you are going to get the access soon, you will get easily 1 is to 3 RR with the 80% win rate. Very, like, if you follow the 1 is to 2, that will be higher. So let's say strict with the 1 is to 2, okay?
okay, okay,
So as you said, like, there are you already have watched all of my most of my videos. That means we can say you're Basic is clear, is it? Basic is
Yes,
clear.
yes, yes.
So just for the checking of, for the checking purpose, like you know, like whatever I teach and whatever I call it, okay? So in a sense, like I call it, this one.
That's sell engulfing. Engulfing sell.
Okay, right. So if you have a, like, this is also what,
Engulfing buy.
right? So this is engulfing buy. Now this engulfing buy happened with two candle, is it? So
Yes.
we call it
Yes.
we call it what? We call it regular.
Yes, regular engulfing.
As it
Yes.
is happen with more than two candles, we call it irregular. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now the thing is, when you know, like you already know, so what we call this, what do you call this?
Okay. This is a regular engulfing buy.
Okay. So now normally what we say, if you have a engulfing and we believe that this is a zone, like buy zone or sell zone, okay? So as it's a sell engulfing, it's a sell zone. As it's a buy engulfing, it's a buy zone, right? So we believe if the market goes back to the sell area, it will sell. If it come back to the buy area, we're going to buy, isn't it?
Yes.
At the same time, if you look, this is an engulfing buy. According to these two rules, whatever I have just said, you should buy from here. Like, it's not should buy from here. This is a buy zone for you, isn't it, boss?
Yes, it is.
That means the market did not respect it, that zone. And what happened? What do you call it?
Engulfing fail.
Simple, right? These are the main thing whatever actually I covered in my YouTube. Okay. You got my
Okay.
point, right? So now let us start with the little bit more deep dive. Okay, a more deep dive,
Okay.
and we will see more in details what we learn and what not. Okay, and
Okay.
how to read the chart and how to apply it on the chart, like how you're going to know it. Like if you look at here, when you started to learn the execution, okay boss, when you started to learn the execution, there are so clear cut method on here, like why I choose 49, where is 49, like this engulfing for my buy, not any of them. Okay, at the same time why I choose this engulfing for the London buy, not any of them. Okay.
Okay.
So at the same, like yesterday also, like when we have a, like I says, like we buy from, where is yesterday market, I believe, yeah, somewhere here. So there are so many things, but it's still why I choose that engulfing for buy, and eventually it become fail, and then we sell from here. Okay. So this, like if you see, so like so many thing in the market, so many engulf, basically as I says, market is totally combination of two different color, which is buy and sell, and buy sell represent with the green or red candle, and the candle represent the combination, and combination gives us the different engulfing, isn't it? So by saying that everything in the market is an engulfing, that doesn't mean we are going to choose everything in the market. You
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
Okay, boss, let us go. Okay.
Okay.
So just 1 minute, let me see where I can show you and how to read it. Okay,
Okay.
you excited, boss?
Of course, of course. I'm excited to be one-on-one with you.
Okay. So now let me